ki khubor ki bubnya Menteri Rang Ba ke Jylla Konrad ki Sangmau laong ba ke Jylla Meghalaya ka yo ke khubor manla ka sngi na ki Nongsyntiat aga be dei ba ka Jingwan rung jong ki brieu banabar na ke Jaka Khappud wala ka don ka Jingya kenat bat kari Bangladesh Haba Jingkran hadian ka Jinglong ba ka kenhun ki Menteri Konrad ula pensyai baladep ban khmi benya Halor ka Jinglong Jingman bat ong ba kamlong ka badei ban syukuran penkut ba ka ladon ka Jingpen khim biang ya ki kenhun pentriem Nakaliang Menteri Rang Ba ula ong ba kamlong ka badei ban syu tharai klem da tip shwai ka Jing shisha daga ba penpau ba ka Jing pahra ha ki Jaka Khappud ka klain baha nadu usnem baladem
This kind of activity here and there keep coming to us. Intel keeps coming to us. On the basis of this intel and information, to conclude that there's a regrouping is not correct at all. But we are not closing the chapter also because it could be. And I think DG was trying to say exactly that we have been getting inputs of this thing. And I guess the press that time just took that first part and did not talk the whole picture. So I'm giving you the whole picture. We get multiple intels every day. These multiple intels have to be verified. Till we don't verify it, we cannot conclude and say that it is regrouping. But is the information coming in? As I said, information comes every day. Now, situation has become more critical because of the situation in Bangladesh. And therefore, those situations are something that we have to continuously monitor.